I just put the peppers in our big garden bed here. So it's kind of in its long-term state. Later in the summer, we'll replace the peas with broccoli and cauliflower, but here's our butter lettuce, marigolds, pak choi, ahi rico pepper, black-seeded Simpson lettuce, chard, romaine lettuce, Roma tomato here. I think this is more romaine back here. A little arugula, Brussels sprout, butter lettuce, some radishes, I believe, the peas with Stephanie's bamboo trellis. This is the Tabasco pepper, I believe. I could be wrong about that. Forgive me. Radishes, more pak choi, butter lettuce, chard, more romaine lettuce, chard, Simpson lettuce, marigolds along the edge, more Simpson lettuce, and our Brandywine tomato. So I just thought I would share because it's going to be like this for a while, and I thought it looks really nice. Thanks for watching. Forgive the dishwasher noise, but we did harvest some greens today. This is lettuce, black-seeded Simpson, romaine, and butter crunch. Same here. Then we got a little bit of spinach and some pak choi over here. And I like to wash this stuff right when we pick it, so it's ready to eat when we want it. So I just, rinse it, put it in the salad spinner, and then leave it under a ceiling fan for about a half hour. And then we pack it up in bags with some paper towel. It's Monday, June 1st. I'm gonna do a little garden update here. Got some parsley seedlings hardening off. Here's our lavender plant. It's got some flowers. Got some petunias here. There is a zucchini plant. I think that's the alibi zucchini with some radishes around it. This is one of our pepper plants. I can't remember which one it is. Sun gold cherry tomato. More cucumbers with radishes. This is the Harmony hybrid. Another pepper plant. Carrots. Chard. Simpson lettuce, boro beets, oregano, kale, more boro beets, butter crunch lettuce, boldor beets, romaine lettuce, and scallions. Over here, we've got our green beans, pole beans, spinach, and both of these. In the middle of the spinach, I believe, is our squash plant, so we'll have to clear some of that spinach out to give it room to grow. Yeah, you can see one of the leaves right there. Sun gold cherry tomato with some radishes growing around it. Boro beet, carrots, butter lettuce, more kale, scallions, boldor beet, kohlrabi, romaine lettuce, kohlrabi, scallions, and chives. Here's one of our hanging baskets. I don't know what this is. Looks nice. Pak choi, ahi rico pepper, butter lettuce, marigolds. These are plenty big enough to harvest. We'll probably take some out because they're a little bit crowded, you can see, and we'll let some of the other ones grow bigger. More lettuce, that's Simpson. This is romaine. More romaine there. Butter lettuce. Roma tomato. Chard. This is arugula. Brussels sprout. The peas are not climbing the trellis very well, but we'll work on that. Let's see, more spinach. This is more pak choi. These leaves are being eaten, and usually when it's in the cabbage family, it's slugs that are eating it at night. So these white pellets are sluggo. It's iron phosphate, which is supposed to kill them or detract them, I don't know. This is another pepper plant. More lettuce. The bright yellow, whenever you see the bright yellow, that's always black-seeded Simpson. Brandywine tomato. More marigolds on the end. And some more greens and some radishes there. Here's a Boyne raspberry. A Latham. Another Boyne. Another Latham. Another Boyne. And finally, another Latham. So you can see all the raspberries are growing. And then all in all, it's hard to get it all in frame now, but that's what everything looks like. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.